Hi, I'm Arush, and this is Simple Cooking Part 8.
Yep, guys, part 8. What are you making, Arush?
I'm making some chocolate muffins today.
Ooh, wow, nice. Chocolate muffins. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, first I will set the tray. Oh, here it is.
Yep, set the tray.
And it came from there.
The tray came from there. Yep.
Now, I'm going to put 1/2 of cup of flour.
Yep, we've
Yeah.
already put 1.5 cup of flour. Okay,
Hi, now we're going to put 1/2 spoon of baking soda in this cup.
yep, let's put it in. And then we're also gonna put baking powder. 1/2 spoon of baking powder.
And wait for the next step. Now, we're going to put 3/4 of sugar.
Yep,
Oh,
3/4 cup of sugar. Yep.
Hi, now we're going to dump this in this.
Okay, do it. Yep.
So, we're going to put 1/3 cup of oil.
Okay, let's take it.
Here it is.
Yep.
Four. Now we're going to dump this in before we close it.
Okay.
Now, we're going to put 1 cup of
Milk.
milk. Dump this in. Now, we're going to put 2 spoons of
Vinegar.
vinegar.
Okay.
Okay, it is. Now we're going to dump this here. Not there, we're not there. This here.
Okay, guys, so make sure you add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence.
Yeah. Now we're going to add this flour in this slowly.
Yep. Okay.
Hi. Now we're going to put the cup powder just like we put it in mud cake.
Yep. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons.
1. Nope, we don't get it kicked. 2. Okay, so we're gonna cut 7 pineapples, but 1 is already cut. There's 6 left. And we're gonna cut them into small pieces. Very small.
Okay.
So we're gonna cut 7 pineapples, but 1 is already cut. There's 6 left. And we're gonna cut them into small pieces. Very small.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna put this in all of the cups.
Okay.
Now put the pineapple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice, okay? And you don't have to put pineapple in your muffins. We just like that as an extra touch, right?
Now we put it in the onion.
Yup. And as you can see, Arush has mastered it, right?
Yeah. Now we put it in the onion.
Yup. And as you can see, Arush has mastered it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so when you're making these chocolate muffins, make sure that you put it for convection bake at 350 degrees. Okay, guys, so when you're making these chocolate muffins, make sure that you put it for convection bake at 350 degrees. Hey, Arush, I have a question for you. What is your favorite thing about chocolate muffins?
My favorite thing about chocolate mud cake, that is chocolatey.
It's chocolatey,
So sweet.
sweet.
And you can eat it with and you can't eat it with a wrapper. You can take it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, nice.
It's ready, but we have to check
Okay.
if the muscles are ready.
If it doesn't stick on, that means it is ready. Which it looks like they are not sticking.
Yay, that means it's ready.
Yup, guys, thanks for watching our simple cooking part
8.
8.
Yeah.
Making chocolate muffins.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.